Did you know that astronauts can't simply sip coffee like we do on Earth? It's a whole different ballgame up there. In microgravity, liquids behave in some pretty wild ways, so let's uncover how they manage to drink it in space. In this video, you're going to learn about the unique challenges astronauts face when drinking coffee in space. We'll dive into the innovative solutions they've developed to enjoy their favorite brews while floating among the stars. It's not just about the coffee, it's about how human ingenuity overcomes the strangest obstacles. So let's break it down. In microgravity, liquids don't flow like they do on Earth. Instead of pouring or sipping, they tend to form floating blobs. This makes drinking beverages, including coffee, a real challenge for astronauts. Can you imagine trying to drink a cup of coffee when it's just floating around? Spills are a big no-no in space, and those floating droplets can get into equipment and create a mess. So, astronauts have to come up with clever ways to manage their coffee without making a disaster in the spacecraft. Now here's where it gets interesting. To tackle this issue, scientists and engineers have designed special cups and straws for astronauts. One popular choice is the space cup, which has a unique design that allows astronauts to drink without worrying about floating coffee blobs. These cups use a combination of capillary action and pressure to help control the liquid. And let's not forget about the special straws that allow astronauts to sip their coffee just like we do, but with a twist. They've got one-way valves that prevent the liquid from escaping. It's really fascinating to see how creativity leads to solutions in such an extreme environment. And here's a cool story for you. Astronaut Chris Hadfield once shared a moment when he used a special coffee cup to enjoy a fresh brew while floating aboard the International Space Station. He described the experience of watching the coffee swirl and float around him, creating a mesmerizing dance of liquid in zero gravity. It's a perfect example of how astronauts adapt to their environment. They might be in space, but they still cherish those little moments of normalcy like sipping a hot cup of coffee. So, to recap, drinking coffee in space is no easy feat. Astronauts face the challenge of liquid behavior in microgravity, but thanks to innovative cups and straws, they can still enjoy their favorite drink. It's amazing to see the creativity and resourcefulness of astronauts as they tackle these challenges head-on. Who knew coffee could be such an adventure? Now I want to hear from you. What space food or drinks do you find most interesting? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed learning about how astronauts drink coffee in space, be sure to check out my other videos on space exploration. There's a whole universe of amazing facts waiting for you.